Welcome back to LeonCo, and welcome to part 15, I believe, of our 100 dividend a month challenge. It's been a very interesting week because some of the stocks that some of our portfolio have been going up and down depending on the day it is. It's been a very strange and week for the stock market. And for cryptocurrency as well, Bitcoin is going into a reconsolidation after it hit its all-time highs, and the stock market has been fluctuating thanks to the news of the Biden administration about what they want to do with their new tax plan. So everything has been very interesting to see what's going to happen in the future. So let's jump right to it and what we have in our portfolio. As always, our big number, 32. 32 is great. 32 is awesome because it keeps us close to that goal of 50K for the end of the year. So what did we invest for this week? Well, we bought one stock of Disney. We're at 88 with Disney. And we also bought 10 stocks of one of our ETFs, Global Super Dividend ETF, SDIV. So we rounded it up to 120. So our portfolio has been looking very good. Recently, the only downside in our portfolio is Sundial, which has fluctuated all the way up to 90, but now it's at 89. Basically 90, 89 cents share. It's no problem. Our stock stock portfolio has been performing very good as well. As you can see, we are good in returns for the year and for our portfolio, so it's not worry there. This is our end review for the month of April, so let's jump right into how we are with our dividend payment for the month of April. If you recall what our expectation was for the month of April on how much dividends we would receive for April, we were highly hoping to reach that from $32 to $35. So we barely reached $32. We are at $31.66. So it's 44 cents to that $32 mark. We'll take it because we just have 2 more months to hit that, maybe 2 to 3 months to hit that $50 mark that we were expecting to try and reach that $100 mark for the end of the year. As you've seen, we've had a surely but steady increase each month. We started with 21, now 24. We big bump to $5 to 29, and now we did a $2 bump to 31. So for the month of May and for the month of June, expect for us to invest vigorously and aggressively into our ETFs that provide us monthly dividends. We are still waiting to see what happens with Disney. Disney is a very good price, as you see. That's because we bought them for this week. We also rounded up our investment for Bank of America, which took a bit of a chunk, but we just hit that mark that we wanted with Bank of America having 20 stocks of the company. So that is good for us for this year. Let's see what happens. As we said before, we are planning to invest aggressively for the month of May and for the month of June in our ETFs. So unless something specific or something abnormal happens during these couple of months where we find very, very aggressively good values for our other companies, expect us to recurrently invest weekly on these ETFs. So this has been your update for your 100 dividend a month challenge, as well as your update for the dividends for the month of April. So I hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy, and always remember to have that king mentality.